Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can join private community on Reddit. Keep watching the video till the end. To join private community on Reddit, firstly open your Reddit application. The home page of Reddit application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. At the end, click on All. Click on search icon and type in the community you want to join. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on it. On the next page, tap on join. This is how you can join your private community on Reddit quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.